Hello, Internet friends. My name is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, I want to show you how I'm going to put a different color drip edge on these roofs. And I'm going to dive right into it. This is my house that we are renovating uh, currently. I had a tree fall on it this summer, and so having some major renovations. And I want to see this drip edge. I am in roof plan view, and my hotkey is for roofs is the letter Q on my keyboard. So I'm going to hit that and then shift, drag, select all of the roofs here. Now you can open these roofs by using Control E if you're on a PC or Command E if you're on a Mac on your keyboard. I have this tied to a button on my Logitech mouse to open these, and I'm going to go to Shadow Boards and Add New. It doesn't matter what profile you choose, as long as it's a rectangular profile. It could be this 1.5 inch sill, 1x8 trim, or this 3x10. We're going to resize it anyway. So I'm going to use 1.5 inch sill, and I'm going to change this, say, to maybe 1/8 of an inch and 2 inches tall. Let's say, no, that drip edge is probably only 1.5 inches tall, right? And then to materials, there's my 1.5 inch sill. That's what I know to be the drip edge. That's the molding profile we chose. So currently default fascia is color bright. I'm going to select a material, go into plan, and choose black. If you went into library materials, you could choose, color black right there. However you like. I'm just going to choose black here and click OK and go into our camera overview. Now you see the drip edge, and just above the gutters you see the gutter apron. If you didn't want to show the gutter apron, you can, I'm going to go into plan view and select all of these again, go into shadow boards. By default, it added this profile, an 1/8 inch wide and 1.5 inch tall, to the eaves and gables. Let's say we went to the gables only, and you can see that fascia coming up through behind the gutters. So the gutter apron really is there, so maybe I undo and show the gutter apron as well. And there is my drip edge and my gutter apron as a separate color from my rakes and eaves. I hope this is helpful. If you've learned something new, click like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get alerted each time I upload one of these videos. And if you find this education valuable, would you consider a small donation at paypal.me/designbuildsolutions? Thanks so much. Until next time, have a wonderful week. Take care.